Rill is the fastest business intelligence tool for humans and agents, and let me show you why using just Claude code. I will do everything via the command line, so let's start a new Rill project. I'll accept some defaults. I'll download a sample project. I'm going to use Claude as my agent, and let's start Rill. So there we go. This is the Rill IDE. So if you do want to edit the code directly, you can do that here. And what we've done is, just to get started, we've used a pre-built project so that we can download this. This is what happens with most developers. They will start with an existing project and make changes. So to make those changes, let's switch into that project directory and start Claude. I want to add a cost per click metric to my bids analytics. What is going to happen in the background here is Claude is looking at the skills that it's been provided with. So these are skills it can use. It is looking at the files in the project because everything is stored as code in the background. And using that, it is able to figure out how to update the project with the metric that I've just added into the system. I'll just give it permission to make changes. And here is my new cost per click metric. That's not quite right, the calculation there. So I want to divide that by 1,000. And there you go. I've got my adjusted metric, and let's just say that is good. So now I want to take that metric maybe and put it onto one of my curated dashboards with a custom design. So I can just say add the CPC metric to the executive overview. So it's just looking at the structure of this. It's added CPC into the metrics, the KPIs at the top. It's also realized there's a table with a selection of metrics and thought it would be intelligent, which I think it is, to add the CPC metric there. You can also use this for, if you like, more mundane tasks, just like doing layouts. So I've got a logo here that I would like to add. So let's add logo to the top left. There's my logo, and that's me done in terms of making fast changes and edits just from Claude Code. You can see our longer videos for how we deal with things like deployment, row-level security, and so on. But you can see here just how fast it is to work with your analytics project when you're able to do everything via the command line and via a coding agent. And that's because underneath the hood, we are completely code. So we have code for the agents and developers. We have a visual appearance and a visual builder for the humans to use. And that combination is what we think makes us the fastest BI tool for humans and agents. Thank you for watching.